Hi guys, welcome back. So today we're going to be working on just my basic summer go-to look. So it's kind of just an orangey halo eye. Can't really see it in this lighting, but the thumbnail is going to have a lot better quality pictures. But as always, if you want to see how I got here, it's really simple. Just keep on watching. Alright, as always, I'm going to go back, I'm going to go in with the color Warm Taupe from the Anastasia Modern Renaissance Palette. Start on my outer crease and work my way in, just kind of applying that base as a transition shade. I repeat the process like I always do, just to both eyes, and just kind of get it to like a really warm tone so that once we start applying the orange, it'll transition. Grab a little bit of raw sienna and burnt orange. They're kind of both like, well, burnt orange and like a dusty brown color. I go ahead and apply it again to my crease area, just kind of give it more dimension and slowly start transitioning it to an orange versus just a brown, and repeating the process to the other. Then with my fluffy angled brush, I go in with the color Realgar and apply it to the outer lower crease area. This is more of a stronger orange, kind of like a reddish orange. I go ahead and apply that, work my way up, and then slowly start blending in towards that crease area, and then slowly go all the way through. I go ahead and grab a bit more, and like always to my liking, I will go ahead and repeat the process to the other eye. Because this is a halo eye, I'm also going to apply it to my inner corner just slightly, not too much because we don't want it to take up, and then slowly start working my way up to the crease. As you can see, I leave a small amount on the middle part because we're going to go ahead and add a different shade there. Once we've done all the blending, we go in with the color Primavera, and just with my fingertip, I go ahead and apply that to that middle section that is without basically any eyeshadow. And then I go ahead and apply it to the other eye, per usual. Once I'm done, I go in with my fluffy brush and I start blending and blending and blending until I am satisfied with how the colors look. Once I'm done with the eyeshadow, I go ahead and start with the eyeliner. With this look, I do more of a thin line with just the smallest wing at the end, just to keep it a simple, more summery look. I feel like the thicker eyeliner is more for a bold look, which I wasn't going for in this case. Now I'm done with both of my eyeliners. I'm pretty satisfied with how they look. And now I'm just going to go ahead and do eyebrows, eyelashes off camera. See you in a bit. And we made it to the end. So if you made it this far, again, thanks for watching the whole video. This is going to probably be, or is one of my shorter videos since I do this like so often, I kind of just know. But yeah, just wanted to say Anastasia palettes are my favorite palette. She has such good pigmentation, and I wish I owned all of her palettes. Unfortunately, I only have 3 of them. But yeah, stay tuned for next Saturday. The video will be uploaded. Bye!